Hi, my name is Usama Hussain and welcome back to the Fortune Robotics channel. Today we'll be talking about Scratch. What is it and how do people use it? Scratch is a high-level block-based visual programming language which is mainly used or is aimed at children. It helps them to develop programming concepts from an early age. How does it help? Is basically it is very interactive, colorful, and it allows children and even teenagers themselves to understand it quite easily. Each block represents a certain movement. For example, they are color based. For example, blue based blocks are for movement based, purple are for appearance, and so on. So when you explore Scratch, you will be able to understand different kind of blocks, what they mean. There are two kind of Scratch. There is one Scratch Junior that is aimed for kids, which is an application you can download and utilize it on a daily basis. It's quite safe and interactive. It helps children to explore what certain programming tools or what certain blocks mean in Scratch Junior. And as for Scratch Senior, it is more advanced, and it allows children to develop from scratch to any level of complexity with the use of variables at a high level and blocks, lists. You can customize it up to your own needs. Scratch is also used in competitions where kids can compete and develop interactive stories, games, animations based on how they think and become creative in that sense. Scratch is mainly used in schools. It is a useful tool or application where kids, teenagers, or anybody who uses them will able to understand programming languages at a very easy rate. So anyone using it will be able to be fluent or able to understand the programming concepts if you're gonna continue to a higher or new a complex language. Scratch is available in 70 different languages on their site, and you can use or program Scratch in any language that you're comfortable in. There is a very strong based community of Scratch users, so if you have any interesting projects or want to look at interesting projects made by other students, kids, professors, it's easy. You can go on the website and view the projects, and you can realize how big the world of Scratch actually is. If you wish to learn about Scratch or want to have a demo lesson, contact us for more details.